In this video, I'm going to show you where to find your world history textbook online. And you can check your class announcements each week, and you will see that it lets you know which page numbers in the textbook are covered for each lesson each day of the week. And again, that'll be updated under these class announcements weekly. So if you are looking for your world history textbook, once you're in the world history course page, first you'll look under the class content, and you'll choose the section under content labeled course materials. So you can go to the course materials box and click launch. And the world history textbook we are looking for is called World History, Our Human Story. So now that I went to the content and course materials, I'll look for the link to the textbook. You can see it down here. You might have to scroll down a little ways. And it's called World History, Our Human Story. I'll click on that. And you'll see two links. There are two versions of the online textbook. They have the exact same information, but they just look a little different. So it's up to you which one you choose to use. And I'll show you what both of them look like. So this first online textbook link will open up to look like this. You can see the cover of the textbook. And if you're looking to get to a certain page in the textbook, you'll have to click these blue boxes down at the bottom. On the left, this one is called the thumbnail view. If I'm looking for a certain page, I can click in this box that says cover, delete the cover, and maybe I want to go to page 16. So I'll type in 16 and press enter. That takes me to page 16 in the textbook. Maybe I just want to see one page at a time. I can go back to this one page view down at the bottom. Maybe the words are a bit too small. So if you want to zoom in, you'll see this magnifying glass at the top you can click on. And you can click on and drag this circle to zoom in. You can also zoom back out if you need to. If you want to move forward, you can click on this arrow on the right to go to the next page. If you want to go back, you'll click on the arrow to the left. So this is the first version of the online textbook. If you choose to use the second version, you can see it's the same exact thing. Here's our cover to the textbook. If I want to go to page 16 in here, I'll have to click in this white box at the top and type in page 16. I could press enter or press go. And it takes me to that exact same page, 16. And again, you might have to zoom in. You can change the text size with the plus and minus at the top. You can make it larger or make it smaller on your computer screen. Again, if I want to move forward or backwards, I use these arrows over here on the right. The right arrow will take you forward, the left arrow would take you backwards. And if you would like any help using your textbook or finding information, please contact me.